listen closely. Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you wanna be a villain member, you have to chase a superhero on the run. Just follow my moves and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound. Don't touch that. Now look at this
Giant robot.
that I just found. When I say go, be ready to throw. Go! Throw it at him, not me! Oh, let's try something else. Now watch and learn. Here's the deal. You slip and slide from this banana peel. What are you doing?
Toad! Toad? Todd? Toad.
We are number
Toad!
one.